D. What's that? An H6.
Okay, so we finally have a replacement fender. Okay, looks like we're gonna need to remove the headlights as well. I reckon this will be a cool thumbnail. Sponsored by either one of these manufacturers, so it was nice to have that fantasy. And here we currently are. So this is the fender we're about to install. I always take a moment to appreciate the car looking torn apart like this. Now, obviously it's not perfect, but I feel like it is an improvement in the sense that the blue is no longer as glaringly different from the rest of the car as the previous fender was. For example, if you look at it from the door in comparison to the rest of the fender, it's quite glaring there. But if you go over here between the fender and the bumper, it's less glaring. So that's basically my main short-term goal with this fender. I just needed it to blend more into the rest of the car. That I have the fender, to send the fender and the rear bumper to whoever is going to do the work, so that they both paint match and look the same and get repaired. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please click on the thumbs up icon to leave us a like. And if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please click subscribe and be sure to hit that bell icon so you are notified each and every time I drop new content on this here channel.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once.